talking Workholding magnets here, and now you'll see these being used throughout the channel. I'd say these are my most used magnets, period. I'm going to go through putting a set of these together for myself, and hopefully it'll help some. So the magnets I managed to source online are these 32mm diameter magnets, and they're 6mm thick, and as you can see they're pretty close. So they're what we're going to be using. If you go down this route and you want to make your own, go for the ones with the hole in and they're countersunk. Now I've opted for M4 countersunk bolts, 12mm long. Probably could have done with them being a little bit longer. Looking at them, I probably could have got by with M5. So we'll put these together and get a look at them. So the handles were laser cut at the fab shop I mentioned, but looking at them, they are 32mm wide and 125mm long. Now I have nothing in that size, so I'm going to have to settle for 25mm flat bar. So that lot got me thinking about belt sanders. Build or buy, but I definitely need something. So I've just rounded the corners off. My next job for them is a bit of paint. So that's the flat bar, crudely painted. I've put some random bends in them as well. I've got the M4 bolt, we'll bang that through there. I'll bang a washer on the back. Didn't really need the washer, but with these being M4, just bang that on. And that's it. Now we're not finished there yet, because these do work loose. So like I said earlier, these were supplied to me, and what they did, they bung a blob of weld on the back of the nut there. So that's what I'm going to do with these. And for that, we've got special guest, my sexy little Jasic TIG welder that has lift TIG functions. The plan is to just fuse that nut and bolt on the back, so they're not going to come apart. Not a how to TIG weld, clearly. Right, so I dumped the tungsten in 2 or 3 times there, but they're not coming off. They're good. Could have just blasted them with a bit of MIG, but there you go. Like I said, these are really common in sheet metal fab shops, which is surprising. Like I said, I can't find these online anywhere for sales, but they're really cheap to make, and they do shave off a ton of time if you're into sheet metal, bench work, production, all that. So treat yourself, knock yourself a set of these up, or if you can find them, buy them. There'll be a link for these magnets in the description down below. They're dirt cheap, you can find them on Amazon, but they're exactly the same magnets, and they've put their bit of Murara on top. Right, so that's your lot. Thanks for watching.